Amazon KDP in 2026 is not hard. If anything, it's easier than ever to publish a book. And here's the problem, it also is less forgiving than it's ever been. One wrong assumption, one emotional decision, one outdated strategy, and Amazon doesn't punish you loudly, it just ignores your book. So let me explain why Amazon KDP feels brutal in 2026 and what you must change if you want to survive and actually grow. So, if you're new here to the channel, welcome back. I'm Nora, and we do daily videos talking about Amazon KDP strategies, what has worked for me, and a couple of data driven keyword research methods that I share here. So, if it's something that interests you, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new daily videos. So, why KDP feels hard, but it isn't? Now, let's be honest. In 2026, you can create a book faster than ever. Covers look cleaner, interior looks more professional. The tools do most of the heavy lifting. Publishing itself is not that hard anymore. What changed is the margin for error. Amazon no longer rewards slow experimentation, no longer rewards guessing niches, and definitely doesn't reward one book strategies. The system now favors publishers who test fast and detach emotionally. That's why KDP feels unforgiving, not because it's broken, but because it's really honest. So here's the one assumption that destroys most beginners. Most beginners, they enter KDP, they start to believe if I make a good book, Amazon will reward me. And that assumption used to work. In 2026, unfortunately, it no longer works. Now, here's what works. Good books are everywhere, but only special books start to attract attention. Here's the current scenario. Good books are everywhere, average quality blends in, and effort alone means nothing. Amazon only responds to buyer behavior. So, what am I talking about buyer behavior? We're talking about clicks, conversions, and retention. And if your book doesn't trigger those signals quickly, Amazon just doesn't tell you what's wrong. It just simply stops showing your book. So that silence is what breaks most KDP publishers. So here's why emotion is your biggest enemy in 2026. So KDP is unforgiving to emotional decision making. So when beginners start to fall in love with one idea, they spend weeks perfecting it, and they attach their confidence to its success. They set themselves up for failure. They set themselves up to quitting. So in 2026, publishing must be cold, calm, and strategic. Your three keywords for 2026. You don't need passion for one book. You need patience across many. I need you to go ahead and detach from outcomes, or the platform will start to force detachment on you, and that's where things will start to go wrong. So here's the real game KDP is playing now. Amazon KDP has quietly shifted. It now favors publishers who publish more frequently, test multiple ideas, and let the data decide the winners, not publishers who wait months before publishing their next book, who obsess over perfection and bet everything on one launch. That isn't cruelty, it's actually scale. So Amazon is built to surface patterns, not dreams. So here's a strategy that survives an unforgiving system. The strategy that actually works in 2026. And it's made out of four simple steps. Step one is to publish for data, not validation. So each book is a test, nothing more. Step two, expect more books to do nothing. That's not failure. That's normal. You could just use them to collect the data. Step three, identify signals early. So I need you to look and monitor and track for consistent sales, stable sales, and better than average conversions. And lastly, step four is to double down only after proof. Ads, expansions, sequels, only after the data confirms that there is demand. And what that does is it removes the risk, it removes the burnout and the disappointment associated with a failed book. So people still say quality over quantity, and that advice is really outdated. In 2026, quality is the entry fee. Quantity creates the opportunity, and strategy starts to create the income. You need both. High quality, yes, but across multiple experiments, not one emotional masterpiece. So why must people quit right before it starts to work? So here's the strategy of KDP. Most people start to quit right before they collect enough data. So what they do is, the typical scenario is that they publish two books, maybe three. They see no traction and they assume that KDP doesn't work. But the truth is, they never actually stayed long enough for the system to respond. Amazon doesn't reward impatience, It rewards consistency under uncertainty. So while you're still uncertain, you still need to be consistent. You still need to, keep on creating books that make a difference. So KDP in 2026, definitely not hard. It's just unforgiving to guessing, emotion, ego, slow adaptation. And if you treat publishing like a system instead of just like a little side hustle here and there among many, Amazon becomes predictable. And predictability with Amazon KDP is power. So if you're serious about KDP 2026, remember this: your job isn't to be right, your job is to stay in that game long enough to learn what works. Amazon will show you the way, but only if you keep publishing. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.